In this video, we are going to talk about how to make your iPhone mirroring bigger. So in this tutorial, we will debunk if you can actually make it bigger or not. So here you will see that I'm able to mirror my iPhone and use it as usual. Of course, you see I have my applications open, I have my Bybit. I can do anything here, but we're not going to open any applications since it's confidential. So right here we have our applications. So what if you wanted to make it bigger? So unfortunately, this does not work. It does not have the green icon to make it enlarge. You will only be able to actually mirror the dimensions of your own actual iPhone and you cannot enlarge it. So here in this tutorial, I am debunking only that you cannot actually make your iPhone mirroring any much larger than this. So even though you try to grab the side corners, try to make it bigger, it won't work. There's no method for this. You can try to view larger, then that's the only biggest it can go basically. So you go to the window right on top and look for view, and then you just have to go to larger, and that's it only. That's the only option you guys have, larger, but it's not really gonna look pretty much good in your desktop because it's too large and it's not even gonna fit actually, as you can see. So you will just have to stick with the actual size right here. So the actual command for that is your command plus. If you want to do it, just press command plus, it will do it. And then basically when you want to revert it is just um, command O. So command O or command 0, what I mean is how to revert it, and there you go. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button, and of course, don't forget to subscribe.